I was so much into myself, so much into my skin, I was in so much pain. Apart from, it felt like the world just crashed on me. You remember I told you I was dealing with personal stuff, and then this now happened. I was like, where would I start from? Like, to be very, it felt like a part of me was taken away from me forcefully, and I literally had nothing to do. I had no say. I couldn't do anything about it. I mean, I know I'm beginning to sound like a broken record video, and the video is editing me because I would have slept like 50,000 hours sleep. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Niella. It's your girl again, Niella, and we are back with another video, guys. So today's video, just as the title says, I'm just going to be talking about why I took another break here on the tube. I mean, I know I'm beginning to sound like a broken record because I'm always coming back from one break or the other. But if you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Niella, just like what I said, and I create content around every freaking thing you find on this channel. So be sure to subscribe, turn on the bell so you get notified whenever a new video pops live on my channel. And if you're an oldie and an OG, thank you so much for always watching my videos and coming back. You guys make this entire journey worth it. So guys, let us get into this story time video. So guys, if you remember from the last time I came back, I asked you guys if you wanted to see older videos that I had filmed while I was on my break in 2021. And the reason for that break was because I went back to school and I needed to focus. Like, school was kind of like important for me, and you guys remember that. Another reason again, or the main reason, was my editing software was really just like, there was no point, And if you guys have been a follower of my channel, for people who have been following me for a long time, you will notice that at one point I started doing only Sunday vlogs, and then if I began to put so much pressure on myself because my vlogs were not going the way I would have wanted it, and there was really nothing I could do. Anyways, fast forward to 2022, I came back, talked about why I went on a break, shared all of the milestones that I had hit, all of the testimony, celebration, and yeah, I also got a job in the process, like less than or just a month and a few days after graduation. I'm going to talk about that in another video, how I was able to land a job in my field of study, or whatever it is I went back to school to study. I got a job almost immediately. Anyways, yeah, and I was thinking that, okay, because I had older videos, it would even help me try to focus more on my job, because it's a new job, it's a new career. I need all the time in the world to focus on it. And thankfully I had those old videos, and thankfully you guys said you wanted to see the old videos, so I started keeping them coming, videos I had filmed in 2021. And then the pressure began to hit on me because I started having little or no time to come back home. I come back home, I eat, I'm trying to edit a video, and the video is editing me because I would have slept like 50,000 hours sleep before I even remember that I'm editing a video. So it kept on going like that, and I even tried to dish out more content for you guys without you guys noticing that trying to balance my life with a 9 to 5 again was becoming pretty difficult for me. Because the 9 to 5 I had then, in quote, I was doing it from home. It was a work from home job, but now I had to go to the office. So my current job is a work from the office job. And then I tried. And if you remember the last vlog, I talked about my hard drive making a sound and it wasn't really reading on my computer. I tried my Windows PC, wasn't working. I tried my Mac, it wasn't working. Can you guys hear the sound? So that's my hard drive beeping, and I have Googled my life out. And I did a lot of Google research, I watched a lot of YouTube, and then that's when it hit me that my hard drive crashed. And I was really going through some other personal stuff. So apart from the fact that I was trying so hard, balancing my life and my new work, and then my hard drive crashed just when I started coming back to the tube. And that's not only it. All my pictures for my business, for the fashion business, that's Niella's Creation, for my makeup business, Niella the MUA, everything was on that hard drive, and it just crashed. And I was like, do you know what? Amidst everything that was happening in my life personally, I just didn't want that, and I shut off. Like, I went off social media. I even went off WhatsApp. I just deleted my WhatsApp, deleted Instagram, deleted everything, and I didn't really care about it. I think I was off for over 2 weeks, and I was so much into myself, so much into my skin, I was in so much pain. Apart from, you know, it felt like the world just crashed on me. You remember I told you I was dealing with personal stuff, and then this now happened. I was like, where would I start from? Like, all of my pictures, all of my videos, everything was literally on that hard drive. And I was thinking, how do I start again? How do I start afresh? When, like, even pictures that I haven't even uploaded, videos that I haven't even uploaded, pictures of new items that are taken that I haven't even uploaded on my website for sale, pictures of makeup clients that I haven't even shared on social media. You know, at least the more I share these pictures, the more I get more clients. Like, if I just didn't know what to do. To be very, it felt like a part of me was taken away from me forcefully, and I literally had nothing to do. I had no say. I couldn't do anything about it. And trust me, because I'm someone who always like to learn, and if you are my friend, you know that I'm very, like, I can't easily let things go, especially when I know that there might be a solution. I would always push myself trying to find a solution, even for myself, even for my friends, when it comes to their businesses, even when it comes to their personal life. I feel like I can help. I still try to go an extra mile for them, and that was what I did. I even spoke to my colleague in the office about this. I spoke to my friend as well. He told me it has crashed. I had done Google research, everything, and from that sound, he told me that it had crashed. And then I don't know why I was thinking I was my friend Sugar that bought me this hard drive. I was now even going to text her and say, oh, please, you still have the receipt? And then one mind said I was just scrolling through my emails, typing Seagate, because that's the name of the brand I'm currently using. And then I found out that I bought it myself from Best Buy. And I went and looked at it. I put in my serial code, and I found that means I can get a new hard drive for free. I don't have to pay for a new hard drive, and that was the route I wanted to take. But before then, people had advised me to get an external storage. I should pay for Google storage or OneDrive. I should weigh the pros and cons and decide for myself. But before I thought of, you know, going back to use my warranty for my Seagate hard drive, I had already paid for 2 terabytes worth of storage on Google storage, as Google One storage, I think that's what it's called. So that was it, and I started the process to get a replacement for my hard drive for free. Since I was still under warranty, I could get a replacement. And then I stumbled upon how to recover, because I had asked so many people, and they said if it's the hard drive on the computer, it might be recoverable, but if it's the data on an external hard drive, it might not be recoverable. So I started watching videos, and I stumbled upon someone's video who said he was able to recover his data on his hard drive, and he was in a Seagate hard drive, but he said it cost him about $600, and that was in USD. And I'm like, is it worth? Is $600 worth, or is everything in my hard drive that I had lost worth more than $600, or worth less than $600? Do I want to spend over $600? Because obviously in CAD it will be more than $600. Do I want to spend more than $600 on a hard drive, or I should just forget about it and move on? But I couldn't just forget about it and move on. I just couldn't. I tried, and each time I feel like I had moved on, it keeps hitting me again that, oh my goodness, I have lost everything, you know. And then I went back to Seagate, and I found out that instead of getting a replacement hard drive, because I had the warranty, I could actually try with them to see if they could recover my data that was on the hard drive that had crashed, and then I followed that route. Anyways, to cut the long story short, I was able to recover all the data on my hard drive for free, for damn freaking free. And I got a free replacement hard drive, guys. I don't want this video to be too bulky, but if you would like to know how I was able to recover all of my data on my crashed hard drive without paying a dime, hey, you guys should let me know. I am going to do another story time because I feel like I need to share this so that somebody out there should learn. But again, if you're a content creator, please don't rely on hard drive. Pay for Google Drive, pay for Google One storage. Spread your content far and wide. If you have the money to, if you're an Apple user, you can pay for more storage on your iCloud so that you can have these things here. The reason why I may not recommend iCloud for content creators is sometimes we like to delete things on our phones to free up space, but as soon as you delete something on your Apple device, it deletes on iCloud. And that is the most annoying thing about Apple that I do not like, because I mean, if I remember when I had I was on Google when I still had my 15 gigs of storage and I hadn't even used it up. Google Photos would even tell me that, oh, these photos have been uploaded to cloud. Would you like to delete them from your phone to, give your phone more storage? But you won't get that from Apple. The moment you delete it from your phone, girl, it is out on cloud. So like I said, I am back full time because I need to push out those videos that I had filmed even this year and that I haven't even edited. I did a couple of collaborations. Thank God I had one up with Extra Steps CEO. If you haven't watched that video, I'm going to link it somewhere here so that you can go and see that video. I also had a collaboration done with Sugar's Realm. In fact, that was even the height of it. I'm sure she'll watch this video and she'll be like, thank God, they'll make me go edit my video. You better go and edit your video, girl, because I am going to be editing my own version soon so that we can both upload at the same time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I am really sorry I just went out. I didn't even talk about it. I just poof. But this is really what happened, that I decided to stay off the two because I felt like there was really no need. Let me just come out, face my work and face my business in peace. I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like this video, because when you do, YouTube gets to recommend this video to more viewers on the tube. I hope you have yourself a fantastic day ahead. Bye guys.